we had bought that sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? How it is
Yes, sir.
equivalent. So do you have any doubt on?
But the concept is similar triangles.
Right. Okay. So let me recap the tan theta definition for you. Okay, this is very important, right? So we have considered a unit circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Once we unit circle, okay, with center origin, right? So once I say unit circle, it means the radius is equal to 1, right? So my center of the circle is origin and the radius is 1. So this point will become 1 comma 0, right? So what is B? This point. Priya, can you name the coordinates?
0 and 1, and then 1 and minus 1 and 0, and 0 and minus 1.
So also I want to understand from you. So what is x coordinate?
What is?
X coordinate. What does it mean?
X coordinate is a perpendicular distance from y.
From y or y axis?
Y axis.
Please be particular, right?
Yes, sir.
So here x coordinate is 0 because the point lies itself on the y axis. So the distance to itself is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So on the perpendicular distance x axis is 1. Since this is a unit circle. Okay, this is what we understood. Now, okay, I will recap the definition of tan theta and I will take you through tan theta in this class, right? Say I have this OA ray, okay? So O is my fixed point and A is my tip of the ray, right? I have rotated uh, OA through an angle theta, right? So what I said is we have to consider a tangent line at the point A. This is fixed. This tangent line is fixed at A, right?
Yes, sir.
Tangent line is fixed at A, right? So I hope you understand what is the definition of tangent, okay, to a circle in our in the primary classes, primary
Yes, sir.
geometry, right? So tangent is a line which touches the circle at a single
One
point,
point.
right? So
Yes,
here
sir.
the point is A, right? So this is my tangent. Okay, this line is fixed, right? So I have rotated OA to become OP, right? Through an angle theta. So theta is positive, so it is anti-clockwise. That should be understood from the diagram, right? So if I want to find the tan theta value, right? So the visualization you have to get is you have to extend the OP to meet the tangent line, right?
Yes, sir.
Say this meets at T, right? That means your AT is called the length of AT, right? The length of AT is called tan theta, right? That is the basic definition of tan theta, right?
Yes, sir.
This length, this H length is tan theta, okay? So I can extend this OP in the opposite direction, right? But if you extend like this, right? According to Euclidean postulate, this ray, right? This will not meet. So you have to extend like this, right? You have to see in which direction you have to extend, right? That is one of the important thing, right? Say I have rotated OP, right? OP I can extend like this also backward also, right? But if I extend like this, okay, it will never go to meet, right? This line, right? So you have to extend in the appropriate direction, right? So you have to take care of the direction, okay? Also, we understood that this point you got right.
Yes, sir.
You have to be cautious, right? In which direction you have to extend extend, right? The rotated ray. Okay, you have to be cautious, right? We will see through some examples. Also, I will say your tan theta is this length because this is part of the tangent, right? So tan came from that. Since this is a part of tangent, that is tan. Also, and this part is opposite to the theta. So the name tan theta came, right?
Yes.
So you have to understand this. Okay, the tan came from the this 80 is a part of tangent, and this 80 is opposite to theta, that is tan theta. And if I say tan theta, you have to visualize this length. You have to see this length. This is the definition of tan theta, right? But okay, I can have this one, right? P. So what are the coordinates of P?
Cos theta, sin theta.
Right. So this distance is your from P to this distance is your cos theta, and this distance is sin theta. So the coordinates are sin theta, cos theta, comma sin theta. So this is your sin theta, right? And this is your cos theta, right? If this is cos theta, this is your cos theta. So that is a rectangle, right? So if I consider this one as n1, right? This is theta. This is 90 minus theta in this triangle OPN1. Since the sum of angles is 180, theta 90, so this is 90 minus theta, right? Also, tangent means by definition this angle will be 90. Okay, the line drawn to center, okay, will have will be perpendicular to the tangent. That's the definition we have learned from primary geometry. So this will be 90. So this is theta, this is 90. So this will be 90 minus theta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you have doubts, please stop me here, right? So if I consider these triangles, right, O, P, N1 and O, be careful in writing the order, right? So since at P the angle is 90 minus theta and at T the angle is 90 minus theta, I have to write O3 and N1. At N1 the angle is 90, at A the angle is 90. So both are similar, right? From this I can write that this OTA triangle is similar to OPN1, correct? So 80 means if write like this 80 by Pn1, Pn1, okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
equal is equal to OA OA by
ON.
ON1, right?
Yes, sir.
So here this is a unit circle, so this value is 1, right? So 1 by ON1, your 80 is equal to Pn1 by ON1, right? So what is Pn1? Pn1 is your sin theta.
Sin theta.
We have discussed this sin theta definition clearly from the classes, right? From previous
Yes, sir.
classes. This is means if you draw a perpendicular, right, to you, the x-axis, that is your sin theta, and this is your cos theta, perpendicular to x-axis. Sorry, y-axis is your cos theta, right? Perpendicular to y-axis is your cos theta. Perpendicular to your x-axis is your sin theta. By definition, right? We are only going with definitions. So here I have defined tan theta as 80. So 80 is your tan theta, right? So from this relation, it comes right. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? This is numerically equal, right? But means this
That's not the
by
definition.
this, okay? This by this is equal to numerically equal to this by this value. But when I say tan theta, right? You have to visualize this length, right?
Yes, sir.
You have to visualize this, okay? So be careful about the definition, right? If I say tan theta, you have to see this one, not this by this, right? That might be numerically equal to this value, okay? But the quantities are different, right? If I say I have two sticks, right? Two sticks. One is of the one is made with x and one is made with y, right? But both the lengths are equal to 5 units. It does not mean okay this is equal to this one, right? So this is different and this is different, right? Likewise, tan theta is different quantity in the visualization, and sin theta by cos theta is different, right? But the length may be equal. Means this may be numerically equal, right? But the differentiation is different. Please note on that point.
Yes, sir.
They are numerically equal, but differences are different. Right? Okay, so this is very important for your calculus also. Okay, when I say tan theta, you have to visualize this, right? You should not visualize this by this, right? They are only numerically equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Only. Okay. Also, we told, right? Also, we thought if my theta is going from 0 to
90
90,
tan theta increases.
okay? If you see this figure also, this length is getting increased, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are increasing, right? If you are so, by the definition only, what we wrote is tan 0 degrees, right? If A is at A only, right? The distance to A is 0, right? That is 0 degrees, 0 units. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, tan 89.99999. Okay, so you are going like this. So
Infinity.
okay, it will go somewhere. Okay, means you can't tell what is the length, right? A quantity where you can't tell, right? That quantity is called infinity, plus infinity, right? Since this is plus y, right? Y distance, right? In this direction, y is plus. This is plus infinity, right? Ria, are you following?
Yes, sir.
And also we discussed tan 90 degrees. So
That's
once
undefined.
A comes to B, right? If you extend
Yes.
this, this will never meet this line. Since both are parallel to each other, right? There is no scope they will meet. So since they don't meet, okay, that is undefined, right? If they meet, we can say whether that is zero or some quantity or infinity or something. But there is no chance of this ray meeting this, right? You have to extend that point to meet this. In whatever way you extend like this or like this, right? Since both are parallel to each other, right? They
Yes,
never
sir.
meet, right?
Yes, sir.
So we discussed this. Okay, undefined is different from infinity, right? We have to understand. So both are not same. Infinity and undefined are not same, right?
Yes, sir.
So till now we discussed from previous class. So if anybody has doubt, okay, I can clarify their doubts. Please ask before proceeding. Mr. Raviteja?
Yeah, yeah, I
Okay, you missed
understood.
the previous class. I think it will help you, right?
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
Okay. Badri?
Understood.
Okay. Madam, I think you understood this, right? Kara, madam.
Yes, Major.
Okay. So now today's class we'll discuss about that. So now I am having a unit circle with center origin, right? And I have a tangent at A. This line is fixed as our definition. So if the meeting ends, right, please join on the same link. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I have rotated through an angle alpha, which is obtuse. Means this is my Q1, right? This is Q2. This is Q3. This is Q4. Okay. I have rotated. In the previous diagram, we have seen that I have rotated through an angle acute, right? So that it is coming only onto the Q1. Now I have rotated through an angle obtuse, means with this one. Okay, 90. Between this I have rotated, right? Say my OA came to OP. Okay, so this angle is alpha, right? So Ria, what are the coordinates of P?
Coordinate of P minus cos theta and sin theta.
Where is theta? What is this?
Oh, alpha.
Okay, cos alpha means your perpendicular to y-axis. Sin
Yes, sir.
alpha. Okay, this is, so your coordinates are sin alpha, cos alpha, and sin alpha, right? Now, if I have to extend this line, right? Should I extend in this direction or should I extend in this direction? If this needs to touch the tangent line, so what is the direction now? I told you have to be cautious of the direction of extension, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I extend like this, okay, this will not touch this one, right? This will be traveling like this, and this will be traveling like this. But if I can extend like this, backwards, okay,
Yes, sir.
so it will touch. So you should be cautious of the direction of extension, right?
Yes, sir.
Of the ray, okay. So now this length, say it has touched the line at some t t1, okay. Now by definition, tan alpha is equal to
81.
8 81, right? Now this is your cos alpha, right? This is your cos alpha. Say this is your some theta, right? Some angle theta. So vertical opposite angles will be equal. This is your theta, right? And this is 90. This is 90. So this will be 90 minus theta, and this is 90 minus theta. In a two triangles, if the angles are equal, right? Then they are similar
It's
triangles.
similar triangles.
So I can write O P. Say this is M1, right? Ria, can you tell? So the order of this one.
So wait. OM is to OA.
No. I want you to write this similar triangles in the order. Then the
OP M1 similar to OA.
no at
No,
look at P.
OT1A.
Yeah, at P the angle is 90 minus theta, right? So you have to name the corresponding OT1A, right? So now I can write AT1 by PM1 is equal to OA by OM1, right? This is 1. So this will be PM1 by OM1 again, right? This is sin alpha by cos alpha, right? By definition, what we have. And this 81 is tan alpha, right? So tan alpha is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha, right? When I say
Yes.
tan alpha, you have to visualize this length, right? You should not visualize this by this, right? They are only numerically equal, right? But they are two different quantities, right? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we will rotate it through multiple things, right? So in the same diagram, right, I will write down how that tan theta will be. Okay. Once you observe, right, Ria,
Yes, sir.
the tan theta value of this ray, right, if I rotate A to this point, right,
Yes, sir.
in same ray, the value will be same, right?
Yes, sir.
If I rotate, if I bring A to this point, if I bring A to, okay, if I extend this point, right, whatever, right, this will be the value, right? The tan value of this angle will be equal to tan of this angle, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is one of the observation, right? Now we will see how tan theta behaves in different quadrants, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have doubts, please stop me.
No doubt, sir.
So yeah, this is my unit circle with center as origin. This is my A 1, 0, B 0, 1, C minus 1, 0, D 0, minus 1. Right? So I have rotated. I have rotated, right? This is my tangent at A. This is a fixed line. Okay. So now I have rotated alpha, which is acute. Which license? I have brought OA to OP, right? Say this angle is alpha. Since this is plus alpha, okay, I have rotated in anti-clockwise direction, right?
Yes.
So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is you have to extend this one 2 meter T1.
OP2. Yes, sir.
No, this is this length, right? AT1 is your tan
Tan
alpha.
alpha.
So the tan alpha is now say alpha 1, okay? Tan alpha 1, right, is greater than 0, right? So in Q1, right? In Q1, for whatever angle in quadrant 1, whatever angle, right? Okay, it will be positive only, right? The distance will be positive only, since this is the y distance, perpendicular distance y. So what you can write is in quadrant 1, right? For any angle alpha 1, 90 degrees, okay? What I can write is tan alpha 1 is always greater than 0, right?
Yes.
So check on that. Now I have rotated to quadrant 2, means my angle, right? My angle alpha 2 is, so I have rotated to an angle alpha 2, right? So this is my P1, okay? This is P2. So the coordinates of P2 are cos alpha 2, sin alpha 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So in which direction I have to extend?
Backwards.
Backwards, right? So this is my T2. So if you see, right, this direction for
Negative
y
axis.
negative, right? So
Yes.
your tan alpha 2 is less than 0, right? And this is equal to AT2. AT2 is your tan alpha 2, and that is less than 0, right? By definition.